Okay, hey, guys, new page. We're on a new page. That's a good thing, right? Look, page 14. We've got new material that we've seen, and we've got some similar problems to what students have been having to face on the Active Placer. If you want to go to page 14, let's update there. 3 simple problems. They're not complicated. Again, same old tricks, different kind of problems. Let's go ahead and do this. And the first one at the top of the page is very similar to page 4, where we dealt with the 16x minus 8. They just changed it to 14 and 7. What's the common factor here that you can take out? What you're doing is factoring a number out of that. 7 will take out a 14. That's right, 2x. I didn't write it well, but can you see it? The sign, negative. 7 into 7 isn't 7. You don't subtract 7, you divide 7, and you get uno. The proof is, multiply the answers until you get this. 7 times 2x, 14x. 7 times negative 1, negative 7. Got it? Check. You can do that, plug some answers in, and see if you get what they're asking for. It's a nice check, and it watches your signs for you. Okay? This one here is simple multiplication. They're trying to see if you know that, and if you can get confused and foiling and turn it into crazy things. When you're multiplying all of these numbers, signs, letters, you keep them in order. Signs are both positive. We know it's going to be a positive. 3 times 4, right, is what? 12. There you go. Now let's do our x's. How many x's do you have here? 2. X squared is x times x. What do you have here? X to the 3rd. So that's 2 x's and 3 x's, a total of, that's right, x to the 5, to the 5th power. You add the exponents. Tricky, but don't be combining x's with y's, x's and x's. No interbreeding here, okay? Cows, pigs, chicken, you know, keep it right. Y to the 3rd and y to the plane. What is that? That's y to the 1. We don't write uno there, but you know it. You knew it. What's 3 plus? There you go. Y to the 4th. There is thy answer. Got it? You got this answer? You got that answer? 2 for 2. Genius land. Good. Look what they do here. Down toward the middle of the page, they put these 2 quantities like you're going to FOIL. But what do you have here, guys? Watch out, they're trying to trick you. Again, whenever a negative sign on parenthesis changes every sign inside. Good. That's a plus x, guys. You subtract a plus x, you get a negative x. I still think it's smart to stack them right here like that. Okay? That negative times a plus 1, negative 1. Is that hard? That's how simple that problem is. X and x, 0x. 4 take away 1. There you go. The simple answer is that plane. Great. Can be simple if you don't get trapped and try to FOIL when you need to combine x's and numbers. Good. Ready? Hey, okay, look, we're still on 14. I've got like 3 problems left on the whole page. We're in a good place. Simple ones. This is a real common problem. What is it called when you affect everything by this 3? What's that called? I heard you say distributive. I like it. That's good. Listen, 3 times 4x, that's right, 12x. Plus sign, 3 times a plus 2, plus 6 equals 7. Now my writing's not that great. What do we move? We move that right there. But that's a plus 6. How do we move it? There you go. That means over here, same thing. Plus 6 minus 6, no 6. Therefore, 12x equals. Now that's a little sloppy, but you got it, okay? 7 take away 6 is uno. That means what? Good at Spanish. Oh, now we gotta move on. There we go. There we go. Divide each side by 12. Goodbye. Goodbye. Therefore, x equals 1 over 12. There you go. You can write that down. That'll get you an A in any class. Now, moving right along. Next one. You like that? 1 over 12? Yeah, good. All right. What's this? Factor, baby. This is the b factor, not the x factor. There we go. 2 parentheses. B squared. Come on, come on, come on. Only way on the planet, right there. B times B. Nice. Okay. I won't go into it, B's and all that. You figure that out. Second thing you look for, first thing of the factors are the first. Second thing, yeah, right there. That negative sign says, only way you get a negative is different signs. Since that's a B and a B, I can put it in. One will be a what? And the other will be a negative. If this were a negative negative, that would have to be positive. If it were plus times plus, it'd have to be plus. Only way to get a negative sign there is a plus minus pattern. You're nodding your head. Good, good. Now, it also means, number 2, what do you do with the factors of 16? You mean you subtract the factors of 16 to get what? Right there, the negative 6. Now, what are the factors of 16? Okay, 16 and 1. Is 16 take away 1, 6? No, 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 no. How about 4 and 4? Yeah, 4 minus 4 is 0. It wouldn't be there. You got that. The only other possibility, 8 and 2. Yes, I know it's bad. 8 minus 2. What is that sign? Negative. The large one. That sign tells you the sign of the larger factor. That's going to be the 8 factor, and it's going to be a plus 2. Got it? FOIL it. B squared, negative 8b, plus 2b, negative 6b combined. Plus 2 times negative 8, negative 16. Bingo. Guys, there is your answer. Nice. Next problem. Okay, the last problem on page 14 is interesting word problem. It talks about 2 squares. The operative thing to watch for is the word squares. There's a square with a length the side of x. And it has a certain area. What's that area going to be? What's this side? That's going to be x. If it's a square, that's going to be x. And that's a square, this is going to be x. The area, x times x is what? X squared. Nice. This says that you've got a second square inside that has y. And what they want to do, which means the other sides are all y, like the other, right? Well, what's the area of that one? Sure. The inside area is going to be what? Y squared. They want to know what is the area of this right in here, in between. All right, geniuses, what do? You take the area of the big one, the x one, and you subtract the area of the little one. The leftover is the 2. What's the area? X squared. And what's this area? Y squared. Combo, x squared minus y squared. See, you already were ahead of me. Page 14, all done. You're getting there. I like working backwards, don't you? Good. Doing great.